Namaste, friends. Today, let's talk about the basics of astrology, that is, planetary dignities. Planetary dignities is very important because, based on this, only many concepts are there in astrology, like avastas. The Lajitari avastas are based on planetary dignities, and planetary dignities are very important to judge a planet's strength because the dignity shows how well the planet is performing, and the dignity also shows how the planet feels comfortable in that sign. So let's see for each planet what is the exaltation and debilitation sign, and also Mula Trikona sign and own house sign. For Sun, it gets exalted in Aries. Maximum exaltation degree is 10 degrees. After that, it becomes more of own house sign for Aries. Till 10 degrees Aries, it is exaltation sign. Debilitation sign is Libra. Maximum debilitation sign is 20 degrees. After 20 degrees of Libra, Sun is not debilitated. It is not as weak as the first 20 degrees. Mula Trikona sign for Leo. Mula Trikona sign for Sun is Leo till 20 degrees. After 20 to till 30 degrees of Leo, it is own house. As you can see in this table, I have written Sun, exaltation sign is Aries, debilitation sign is Libra, and the degrees, maximum degrees are mentioned. After the planet crosses maximum degrees, it is not in exaltation or debilitation. Let's see for Moon. Moon is exalted in Taurus at 3 degrees maximum. After 3 degrees, it is Mula Trikona sign for Moon in Taurus. And for Moon, debilitation sign is Scorpio till 3 degrees. After 3 degrees Scorpio, it is not debilitated. For Moon, own house is Cancer. Entire sign of Cancer is own house. For Mars, exaltation sign is Capricorn at 28 degrees. Debilitation sign is Cancer at 28 degrees. Mula Trikona sign is Aries 0 to 12 degrees. And rest of Aries is own house. And Scorpio is also own house for Mars. For every planet, own house is the other sign it rules. For Moon, it is Cancer. For Mars, it is Scorpio. And for Jupiter, it is Pisces, the entire degree of Pisces. For Venus, it is the other sign Taurus. For Saturn, it is other sign Capricorn. That is the entire sign of these signs. For Mercury alone, the own house is also coming in two signs. One is Virgo 15 to 20. That is after 20 degrees of Virgo to 30 degrees of Virgo, Mercury's own house is there, and entire section of Gemini is Mercury's own house. For Mercury, exaltation sign is Virgo 15 degrees, debilitation sign is 15 degrees of Pisces, till 15 degrees of Pisces. Mula Trikona is from Virgo 15 to 20 degrees, and own house is 20 to 30 degrees of Virgo, and Gemini is also own house. For Jupiter, Cancer is exaltation sign at 5 degrees. Beyond 5 degrees Cancer, Jupiter is not exalted, it is just a good dignity, that's it, own house. For debilitation, Jupiter, it is 5 degrees of Capricorn. Mula Trikona is first 10 degrees of Sagittarius, and the rest portion of Sagittarius is own house, and Pisces is also its own house. For Venus, exaltation sign is Pisces 27 degrees, debilitation is 27 degrees Virgo. Mula Trikona is first 15 degrees of Libra, and then remaining 15 degrees of Libra is own house, and the entire 30 degrees of Taurus is own house. For Saturn, Libra 20 degrees is exaltation sign, debilitation sign is Aries and 20 degrees. Mula Trikona is first 15 degrees of Aquarius, and the rest of Aquarius is own house, and Capricorn is also own house for Saturn, entire section of Capricorn. So if you see, there is a pattern in this. The exaltation sign of Sun is the debilitation sign of Saturn, and the exaltation sign of Saturn is the debilitation sign of Sun. So Sun and Saturn are one pair. For Mars, exaltation sign is the debilitation sign of Jupiter, and for Mars, debilitation sign is the exaltation sign of Jupiter. So for Mars and Jupiter, they are a pair. And for Mercury, the exaltation sign of Mercury is the debilitation sign of Venus, and the exaltation sign of Venus is the debilitation sign of Mercury. So Mercury and Venus are a pair. Only Moon is not a pair for any other planet. Otherwise, all planets are having a pair in dignities. Sun and Saturn are one pair. Mars and Jupiter are one pair. Venus and Mercury are one pair. So if you remember these pairs, you can remember the exaltation and debilitation quite easily. Rahu and Ketu are exalted in Taurus, and Ketu is exalted in Scorpio. Rahu is exalted in Taurus, Ketu is exalted in Scorpio. Rahu's own house is Aquarius, and Mulatrikona sign is also Aquarius. Ketu's own sign is Scorpio, and Mulatrikona sign is also Scorpio, which is used by majority of astrologers. So I hope this video is helpful, and these are very basic things, planetary dignities. You should be remembering it very well. And planetary dignities is one of the main strengths of a planet, which is known as the Sthana Bala in Shadbala scheme. Okay, I'll meet you in another video. Thank you.